Cabbage Roll Stew, comforting Eastern European dish. Title: Cabbage Roll Stew, comforting Eastern European dish. Introduction: 100 words. Cabbage roll stew, originating from Eastern Europe, is a beloved comfort food that warms both the body and soul. This traditional dish combines hearty ingredients such as cabbage, ground meat, and rice, all enveloped in a delectable tomato-based broth. With its unique blend of flavors and comforting nature, cabbage roll stew has been passed down through generations, introducing a slice of Eastern European cuisine to the world. In this article, we will explore the origins, ingredients, cooking techniques, and cultural significance of cabbage roll stew, unlocking the secrets behind this delicious comfort dish. Origins of cabbage roll stew, 150 words. Cabbage roll stew can trace its roots back to various Eastern European countries, including Poland, Ukraine, Russia, and Romania. Each region has its own slight variation, but the dish remains a classic and cherished part of the culinary heritage of these countries. The origins of cabbage roll stew can be traced back to the harsh winters of Eastern Europe, where availability and preservation of ingredients played a vital role in cooking. Cabbage, being a hardy winter vegetable, became a staple in households, and people found ways to create delicious meals using this versatile ingredient. The combination of cabbage, ground meat, rice, and a flavorful tomato-based broth created a nourishing and comforting dish that could easily feed a hungry family. Ingredients and preparation, 300 words. To prepare cabbage roll stew, one needs a handful of common ingredients readily available in most supermarkets. The basic ingredients include cabbage leaves, ground meat, typically beef, pork, or a combination of both, rice, onions, garlic, and tomato sauce. Some may choose to add additional spices and herbs to enhance the flavor profile. The preparation process starts by removing whole cabbage leaves and blanching them to make them pliable. This step helps in the rolling process. While the cabbage is blanching, the filling is prepared by combining the ground meat, cooked rice, finely diced onions, garlic, and seasonings. The filling is then spooned onto each cabbage leaf, carefully rolled, and secured with toothpicks or cooking twine. Once the cabbage rolls are ready, they are gently placed into a large pot and covered with a rich, tomato-based broth. The broth is usually made by combining tomato sauce, water or broth, and additional seasonings such as paprika, salt, and pepper. Some recipes may also call for the addition of sauerkraut or sour cream for added tanginess. The slow cooking process ensures that the ingredients become tender and the flavors develop, resulting in a comforting and satisfying dish. While the classic cabbage roll stew recipe remains true to tradition, there are variations based on personal preferences and regional differences. Some recipes call for the addition of carrots, bell peppers, or mushrooms, adding extra flavor and texture to the stew. Vegetarian options are also available, where the ground meat is substituted with ingredients like lentils or mushrooms. Cultural significance, 200 words. Cabbage roll stew goes beyond being just a delicious dish, it holds significant cultural value in Eastern European communities. It is often served during festivals, holidays, and family gatherings, bringing people together to celebrate their heritage and enjoy a taste of tradition. The process of making cabbage roll stew is often a communal activity, where family members share the workload and bond over generations-old recipes. Certainly. Below is the continuation of the article. Health benefits, 150 words. Aside from its delicious taste and cultural significance, cabbage roll stew also offers several health benefits. Cabbage, the key ingredient, is low in calories and packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It is known for its potential to boost digestion, support heart health, and strengthen the immune system. Furthermore, the combination of cabbage, meat, and rice provides a balanced mix of protein, carbohydrates, and essential nutrients. The stew is also a great source of antioxidants from the tomato sauce, which may help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Serving in pairings, 100 words. Cabbage roll stew is often served hot, allowing the flavors to meld together and the aroma to fill the air. It can be enjoyed as a standalone dish or accompanied by a slice of freshly baked bread or a scoop of mashed potatoes. The rich tomato-based broth complements the hearty cabbage rolls perfectly. In summary, cabbage roll stew is a comforting Eastern European dish that brings together simplicity, tradition, and flavor. Whether enjoyed as a family meal or during festive occasions, it is a reminder of the rich culinary heritage of the region and the power of food to create meaningful connections. Certainly. Here is the continuation of the article. Variations and regional influences, 150 words. While cabbage roll stew is a staple in Eastern European cuisine, there are variations and regional influences that add unique twists to the dish. In Poland, for example, the traditional filling is often made with a mixture of ground meats, rice, onions, and spices, while in Romania, sour cabbage leaves are used, giving the stew a tangy flavor. Other countries, such as Hungary and Ukraine, may incorporate sauerkraut or smoked meats into their cabbage roll stew recipes, adding depth and complexity to the dish. These variations highlight the diversity and creativity of Eastern European cooking, showcasing the adaptability of a humble cabbage roll stew. Cultural significance, 200 words. Cabbage roll stew holds deep cultural significance in Eastern Europe. It is a dish that has been passed down through generations, with each family putting their own spin on the recipe. It is often prepared with love and care during holidays, weddings, and other special occasions, bringing families and communities together over a shared meal. The combination of humble ingredients, such as cabbage and affordable cuts of meat, reflects the resourcefulness and resilience of the Eastern European people. Cabbage roll stew represents the ability to create something comforting and delicious, even with limited resources. Furthermore, this dish serves as a symbol of cultural identity and heritage.